Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are well and good. This video lecture is from Future Concern Grammar School, Sargoda.
Today we will learn about number
18. 18 locks, 18 ants, and 18 brushes. Now let's see how to write number 18. Make a slanting line, then standing line. It's a 1. Now we will write here number 8. Make a curve on right side, then make a curve on left side like this, then again make a curve on right side, and last one make a curve on left side. It's a 8. 1 8 18. The number 18.
Students, I hope you have understood. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.